Morning everyone. My name is Hannah Jacob.
And my name is Mahesh.
We the students of class 4B warmly welcome you all to today's morning assembly. So let's begin this beautiful day on a positive note.
A very pleasant and peaceful morning to our respected father, principal, dear teachers, and dear friends. Now let's take the national pledge. I invite Adra to lead us.
My country, India is my country.
Resident certificate in Bihar, Nalanda. Afghan women turn to online courses after Taliban ban certification.
And others in custody. Thank you.
She is the highest court in India, Supreme Court, who invented light bulb, Thomas Alva Edison. Thank you.
Years of class 3 celebrated her birthdays.
Good morning everyone. Today we present a short clip on two magic words, respect and responsibility. Welcome all.
Good morning, students.
Good morning uncle. Thank you for keeping our clean.
I am.
Good morning children. We submit your homework. Here you go ma'am. I finished it yesterday.
I forgot my homework. I was watching cartoons.
That's not responsible fellow. Learn from here.
I was rude and careless. Now I feel sorry.
It's okay